This is the TK-96, the Solar Essentials Kit by Jonard Tools and myself, Solar Goat. All of the tools inside of this kit were carefully selected so that you would have the essentials when working on a solar panel junction box. Now the first part of this kit is going to be the carrying case, which fits all the tools in nicely and then has an additional zipper pocket on the front of it for storing wire nuts or any other material that you're going to need. Next we have a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for terminal blocks, whether it's the spring-loaded ones or the mechanical screw. Then we have a multi-tool screwdriver, which has the small and large Phillips head, as well as nut drivers, so that you're able to access the box, and it's also great for grounding bars. Next we have the crimping tool for PV connectors, and then also a utility knife and wire strippers that are heavy duty. And the wire strippers themselves are great as pliers and great for working in these small boxes.